First leather that usually comes to mind is the classic cowhide, but some of the most luxurious leather in the world comes from places and animals you'd never expect. Skins that come from creatures you've only seen in documentaries. Today I'm going to walk you through the most exotic, rare and frankly jaw-dropping materials in luxury leather. We have to start with what many consider the king of luxury, alligator or crocodile leather, particularly saltwater crocodile, those iconic symmetrical scales you see on ultra high-end bags. Each pattern is as unique as a fingerprint. Beyond its striking beauty, the leather is incredibly strong. But the high cost, that stems from the extreme rarity of large, flawless hides, the strictly CITES regulated farming or sourcing, and the expert-level skill needed to perfectly match and stitch these precious skins. A single handbag can easily demand several hides and hundreds of hours of labor, pushing its value into luxury car territory. Did you know that one luxury handbag can require up to 3 crocodile hides just to achieve perfectly matched scales for a single piece? Next is a Shell Cordovan. This isn't your typical horse hide, one that comes from a horse but not from the hide. Shell Cordovan is a material so unique it's not even technically leather in the traditional sense. What makes it legendary? Shell Cordovan doesn't come from the outer hide like most leather. It's made from a dense, fibrous membrane called the shell, found under the skin on the rump of a horse. Each horse yields just 2 small oval pieces, which already makes it one of the rarest leathers on earth. It's virtually non-creasing, which actually increases the lifespan of the products made from it. It develops soft ripples instead. The tanning process itself is an art form, a secretive, labor-intensive marathon that can take over 6 months. Number 3. Ostrich leather. We all know that ostriches are the world's largest birds that can't fly, but can sprint at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Beyond that, ostriches are instantly recognizable by their unique leather, which features a unique quill pattern. These are the actual leather follicles. Ostrich leather offers a remarkable combination of softness and durability. It's a favorite in high fashion for its distinctive, almost playful texture. The highest quality, most densely quilled leather comes from the crown or back area of the bird, meaning the yield of prime material per hide is limited, directly impacting its price. Number 4. Stingray leather. Now for something truly out of the ordinary. Stingray leather, also known as shagreen or galuchat. Its surface is covered in tiny, bead-like calcified papillae, making it incredibly tough, almost like natural armor. Historically, its durability saw it used on sword hilts and for decorative inlay. Many hides feature a distinct central jewel or eye from the dorsal fin area. Its extreme toughness makes it challenging for even skilled artisans to work with, requiring specialized tools and techniques. Incredible materials, aren't they? Which one has intrigued you the most so far? Drop a comment below. Number 5. Lizard leather. Lizard leather might not be as immediately flashy as crocodile or as quirky as ostrich, but in the world of small leather goods, it's a quiet icon. Known for its tight, symmetrical scale pattern and glossy finish, lizard leather brings a refined, almost jeweler-like feel to wallets, clutches and watch straps. It's often favored in slimmer products because of its naturally thin hide, which doesn't bulk up like other exotic skins. But not all lizard leather is the same. Species like teju and ring lizard offer different textures and colors. What makes it special? Aside from its elegance, it takes dye exceptionally well, making it a favorite for vibrant luxury pieces. Number 6. Python leather. Few leathers carry the visual impact of python. With its dramatic, irregular scale patterns and sheer length of hide, python leather exudes exoticism and bold style. It's become a staple in both fashion and streetwear, often used in boots, jackets, handbags, and belts. But python leather isn't just about looks. It's surprisingly lightweight and flexible, which makes it a versatile material for artisans. Naturally, there are complexities. Matching the large, irregular scale patterns takes serious planning, and ethical sourcing is tightly regulated under CITES. Still, Python makes a loud, confident statement. It's the rock star of exotic leathers. Number 7. Fish leather. Thinking leather can't be exotic and lean towards sustainability? Consider fish leather, derived from species like salmon, perch, or even wolf eel, often as a byproduct of the food industry. These leathers are surprisingly strong, flexible, and boast beautiful scale patterns. Each skin is unique, while the individual skins are smaller, requiring more intricate assembly. For larger items, fish leather offers a distinctive, eco-conscious alternative in the luxury space. That was our top 7 exotic leathers, showcasing a range of unique qualities and distinctive appeal. Which of these luxurious leathers truly captivated your imagination today? Or is there one we missed that deserves to be part of the story? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of leather and practical style tips to help you make smart, confident choices, subscribe and stay with us. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.